walking here today because I think the budget that Congress and the President are proposing is far, far in excess of what the country can afford. And I'm not interested in the inflation and taxes that it's going to bring down the road. My vote's the only thing that's going to change anything, but right now we're just in solidarity with people that think like us.
It's change in the wrong direction. Don't you think we're taxed enough now?
Well, our taxes are paying for the bailout, and then what we can't pay for, they're just printing more money, so which is like an indirect tax in itself because it dilutes the money supply and results in inflation.
To the water!